4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 1, часть 2, страница 4, 5, 6. English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 1, part number 2, page number 4, 5, 6. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4, 4. The country code. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Правила поведения в стране сельской местности. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Countryside. Put out a fire. Drop litter. Make a noise. Grass. Repeat after me. Countryside. Put out a fire. Drop litter. Make noise. Grass. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Match. Соедини. Be. Заботиться о сельской местности. Number 1. Look after the countryside. Number 2. Don't drop litter. Number 2. The answer. C. Не мусорить. Number 3. Don't make a noise. Number 3. The answer A. Не шуметь. Number 4. Put out your campfires. Number 4. The answer D. Потушите ваши костры. Number 5. Don't pick flowers. Number 5. The answer E. Не собирайте цветы. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 5. 5. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Dentist. Stomachache. Doctor. Headache. Toothache. Aspirin. Cough syrup. A rash. A cold. Repeat once more, please. Dentist. A stomachache. A doctor. Skin cream. A headache. A cold. A rash. A cough syrup. Aspirin. A toothache. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and match the sentences to the pictures. Прочитай и соотнеси предложения с картинками. Number 1. The answer D. У Бена болит зуб. Ben's got a toothache. D. Number 2. The answer C. У Сью болит живот. Sentence number 2. Sue got a stomachache. Number 3. The answer E. У Билла болит голова. Bill's got a headache. Number 4. The answer A. Скот простудился. Scots got a cold. Number 5, the answer B. У Джо сыпь. Number 5. Joe's got a rash. Boys and girls do exercise. Let's play. Давай играть. Что случилось? What's the matter? I've got a cold. You should go to the doctor. What's the matter? I've got a rash. You should go to the hospital. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 6, 6. Grammarland. Must, mustn't. Должен, нельзя, не должен. Страна грамматики. Должен, нельзя, не должен. Мы используем должен, must, чтобы сказать, что кому-то необходимо что-то сделать. Мы используем mustn't, нельзя, чтобы сказать, что что-то непозволительно делать. We use must to say that it is necessary for someone to do something. We use mustn't to say that something is not allowed. You must put out the fire. Мы должны потушить пожар. You mustn't drop litter. Мы не должны мусорить. Boys and girls do exercise number 1 in the park. Look, match and say. Complete the sentences. Number 1. We mustn't ride our skateboards. В парке. Посмотри, соедини и скажи. Закончи предложение. Мы не должны кататься на скейтборде. Number 2. We mustn't pick flowers. Number 2. Мы не должны собирать цветы. Number 3. We must keep off the grass. Number 3. Мы должны не ходить по траве. Number 4. We mustn't drop litter. Number 4. Мы не должны мусорить. Number 5. We must keep our dogs on a lead. Мы должны держать собаку на поводке. Boys and girls do exercise number 2. Read and match. Прочитай и соедини. At home, the answer. Make your bed. Don't eat in bed. Help with the chores. At school. Don't be late. Listen to your teacher. Don't eat in class. Don't drop litter in class. Exercise number 3. Talk with your friend. You must help with the chores. At home. Поговори со своим другом. Ты должен помогать с домашней работой дома. You must make your bed at home. Ты должен застилать кровать дома. You mustn't drop litter in class at school. Ты не должен мусорить в классе, в школе. My dear friends, your work was good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is